and welcome back to another Dish of Carrie's Gardening channel. So, I've been buying gardening supplies, and we're going to go through some of my order, and I'm going to show you what I got here. So, one of the things that I got is I got more plant tags, and these are the ones that can wrap around the trees and different plants. We're going to use these for marking our dahlias. Now, these came with the waterproof pens. So, I had another different type of plant tag that I got, and I'll show that to you then. Start using them. So, I got a whole bunch of labels here, and it's supposed to come with a pen. Let's see here, whoops. See, okay, there is the pen, so that did come with it. And these work great for marking your containers so that you don't get your varieties of your plants mixed up. I was using those yesterday, and the marker did not come off, which I'm really happy about that, because that's an issue when you label your stuff, is that the markers and different things tend to wear off, and then all of your stuff gets mixed up and you have a huge mess. So I bought more sticky traps, and these here have the stakes where you can put these right into your container, and then you can put the sticky traps right on them. And then we also have the twisty ties for hanging them up. So let me grab this out here. These here, they are, let me get it up here, kind of tight. These are individually wrapped, which is nice. They have the plastic on both sides, and then you peel that off so you have your sticky underneath of it. One person was saying that these were just one big like mat where there was nothing in between them, but these here, they do have the coatings in between them. I don't want to cut deep. They put the netting right on top. So I bought you remember years back when we were doing like the bok choy and our cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, all of the stuff with getting the bug holes eaten in it from like the cabbage butterflies and different things. I finally this year bought the netting. This is 10 feet by 50 feet netting to go over our plants. And then it came with, here, can you come closer, please? Thank you. All of this different stuff to be able to put these together here. And that's what's in this kit here as well. And they have all these different pieces. They give you directions, which is nice. And I'll do a video when we actually put this together, when we get to plant our cold season stuff out. We have been getting so much rain, thunderstorms, power outages, wind. It's been a mess. So as soon as we get our phone and internet fixed, I'll be putting this video on because it took that out too. So we have to let the ground dry out, and then we'll be planting our stuff in it. And just gonna check this one here, make sure that everything's in this one here. Everything's here. I'll have to count up the posts then. Make sure that everything's all there and that we have all of our pieces that we need. So I did get the landscaper's fabric that we were using last year. Now that's outside still in the big rolls. So I'm not going to be bringing that in the house. I will put a link at the end of this video that you can click on to see what type of landscaper's fabric that I use. And then I do have one more thing to show you, so I'll be right back. And I also I bought, let's see here, let's open here, 2 rolls of the netting. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this type of netting. I'll put the name on it. But this has the 6-inch squares. It's the mesh-like netting. It's not the plastic. I didn't open it yet because I'm not sure how they have it fastened, and I don't want a huge mess. But the difference between this, sorry, and your plastic netting, I don't want this to cut into the stems. So I went with this type of netting over the plastic netting. The plastic, as the wind blows, it can actually cut into your stems and different things. So I figured that this would be better to go with. I've never used this type of a netting before, and this is going to be for the dahlias and a lot of the other cut flowers. We get a lot of wind up here, and I don't want to lose my crop or have crooked stems or have the wind completely blow the stuff flat. So went ahead and bought this here, and like I said, I got 2 rolls of this, and we got the twisty ties for it, and we already have the rebar that we're going to put in and use. Some people use T-posts. They can be very expensive. We're trying to use something that we already have, and when we install this here, I'm going to come back with more videos, and I'll show it to you as for how we're going to put it up and how we're going to use it. I missed it for the peonies, so they're kind of on their own right now. But so far they've been doing okay, so hopefully they will continue to. I do want to get the landscaper's fabric down around the peonies. It should have been down earlier, but like I said, I had to buy more of it. And we're going to be putting this stuff in the garden this year for our vegetable garden. We're going to be having this down on all of our stuff. We used it last year for the cut flowers, and it worked very well for us. So we're tired of weeding, and weeding takes up a lot of time. So we're changing our methods and doing some different things. So like I said, I'll come back with more videos as we start using this stuff. I'm really looking forward to this. I want to even use this with our lettuce because I don't want to have the bugs and the leaf hoppers on our stuff anymore. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.